I'm going to show you how to change a wiper blade for a pin arm. Small pin arm wiper blade. Just flip that out, pull it off the pin. New wiper blade. Get your pin arm here. Just right in the hole. There we go. Nice and tight. Number one, what we do for different blades. I'll dispose of the old blade. Then we'll rinse and repeat for the other side here. Another new wiper blade. Always replaced in pairs. Wiper blades. Get your pin on. Snaps on. This on. And they need to be replaced. It's not holding a good pressure. Oh, I'm just gonna have to have a new wiper on. Okay, well, that's how you replace a wiper blade. On an old pin arm style. Old '89 Lincoln Town car.